Friends, hi and hello. Welcome back, hope you're doing well. Me, sick as a dog. Zachary came home with something, which means that I caught it, which means... But that's okay. Let me be a symbol of inspiration to you to let you know that when you have big dreams in this world, even when you're not feeling your best, we get up and we show up for our big dreams. And my dream is to create a community. A safe space where people can come and feel inspired. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm still going to inspire you today. What I have here are two coasters. Take a look. I've already made the base for these. Yeah. Look, we are making resin coasters today. These are just seasonal coasters. We're just gonna break these bad boys out through the months of September through November. Put them away. But what do we want to look at for those 3 months? What's the vibe that we're digging? Well, I'll tell you. I didn't have much to work with. It's purple, we got some glitter. I have glitter that looks like leaves. There's stars and there's some little black specks in there that are like holographic in the light. My plan is to paint on top of this layer of resin. And once the paint dries and I have the design that I want, I'm going to cover it with a clear coat of resin and be done with it and call it a day. Disclaimer though, if you are on social media, you may be familiar with a while back, months, weeks, I can't tell time anymore. A while ago, there was a big thing online about the Make It Minis. It's a resin thing that they sell. It's like a toy they sell to kids. And if it wasn't cured right or it just regardless, I think it ended up being extremely toxic, which I mean, kids shouldn't be playing with resin. Anyways, I don't know how they got away with selling that stuff to kids, but anyways, it scared me because I've been working with resin for a couple of years now. I had no idea. I thought, I just wore my gloves and yeah, I'd open a window or whatever and call it a day. I don't really want to recommend people working with resin because I don't have the knowledge on it. But I still got 2 bottles of it upstairs and I'm not a waster, so I'm going to continue to finish it being as safe as possible as I can. I wear my gloves, my PPE. I have some masks left over from the COVID era, but don't be like me. If you're gonna do it, look into it, do your research. Make sure that you have the proper equipment and stuff to work with resin. I've heard that it's caused allergies to people, and you just wanna make sure that you're being as safe as possible when you're just trying to do something fun like making a craft. So be aware of that and do your research before working with resin. With that being said, we're gonna move on. We're gonna jump right into the project today. I'm gonna paint some little ghosties, some little bats. Hopefully it'll be cute. I got a couple different things. I'm gonna be working with a couple different colors here, so we'll see how it comes out. The vision is in here, but I don't know how the vision will look out here yet in the 3D reality, right? So let's figure it out together. First thing first, we need some little ghosts, so that's what I'm painting now. You can see I'm just using black here, black paint. I don't have white, it doesn't matter. Ghosts can be any color that you want, so I'm just making some squiggly little ghost here. Now I'm just adding in a little moon. I thought that would be cute to my little picture here, and now I'm gonna go add my little bats. These were probably the hardest thing of this whole project. These bats were giving me one hell of a time, but that's alright. You remember when we were kids and we would make seagulls and it would just be like 2 little lines? Why do we make them like that? Seagulls don't look like that at all. They're like full-on birds, man. Why were we making seagulls like that back in the day? What I've done is taken this very old Sharpie that I have and I dried it out because I don't use these anymore. But what is nice about it is the tip. So I dried it out so that way I can stick it into the paint and I can draw my bats way better. It gives me this more of a pointed, you can't see nothing. This little Sharpie technique is cool because it allows me to be more stable and have sharper lines when it comes to smaller details like these bat wings. So if you have something like this laying around instead of a paintbrush, because I'm not too steady with the paintbrush, this is cool, this is helpful. Let's give these ghosts some eyes, man. What is a ghost without eyes and a mouth? A blob. And we don't want blobs, we want ghosts. So I know this looks like pee-pee and caca right now, but you just kind of have to trust the process, right? So what I'm doing is I'm outlining them and then I'll fill it back in and clean it up with some black paint when I'm done. And I'm just making a little outline here, which I might show you on camera. It's kind of hard for me to do this without being 2 centimeters away. But I'm just kind of making this outline around the bat so that everything sticks out and looks cool. And I think when I go to put the last layer of resin on, it's going to look really nice. And yeah, we're going to finish cleaning up the ghost here. And I think so far so good. No lie, this section here was a little bit stressful, but it's okay. We just keep dipping and we just keep prevailing. Whew! boy. Good God, great googly moogly. Hi, baby. This one's pretty good. This is a good one. Look at these. These are cute, though. Are they not? I love the colors. So yeah, we're almost done. And then we're gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna put the clear coat on. This may look easy. And I feel like it should be easy. I started this at like 9 a.m. It is 4 o'clock in the after freaking noon. Dude. Never give up, never back down. Hello. Welcome to tomorrow. Today is tomorrow. We poured our clear coat upon. Today, that clear coat has dried. Here it is! Here they are, they're super cute. I actually really like these. I'm really impressed with myself. I'm not gonna lie, these are cute. I love them. I like the color scheme of it. I think they look really well with the colors. They pop really nice, or you're not getting a good look, but here they are. My lines aren't straight. Who cares? Life isn't perfect. I love these colors with the purple background. And you got a bright yellow moon. I decided last minute that I would outline that in black, and I'm actually really glad that I did decide to do that because I think it gives it more of like that cartoon characteristics, especially with the whole outline thing. I don't know. I love this. Look at these colors. They're just popping. Oh my eyes. I'm feeling a little better today, but like, I just woke up.
I just woke up.
So today we're gonna pop these out, we're gonna see the final outcome, see how they look, and then lastly I have some of these to stick on so that they don't slip and slide on the coffee table, and then our seasonal Halloween coasters will be done. I am so proud. Oh, I like these colors. Look at the glitter. Yeah, see now you can actually tell that my lines, they aren't straight, but that's okay like I said. From a distance, look at it far away. Looks good. Up close, a little. I don't care. I think that they are so cute. Let's go ahead and get them out. Look at that glitter roof. Oh, these are gonna be so fun. Don't mind my nails. I know they need painted. Oh, these are cute though. Oh, these are fun. Oh, these are so fun. Oh, yes. Coaster number 2. Burger King foot lettuce. Oh, it's okay. I got some paint on the side, but at least my mold is clean now, yeah? Nothing a little paint can't fix. We can put a little gold shimmer around the edge. We can paint over this with some gold. That's alright. We're gonna paint the sides of these, and I think that would look better anyways than leaving them clear, because you can kind of see, like, you know, paint. This is actually from the project itself. So we're gonna paint the rim of these gold. I think would look really cute. And yeah, we got some coasters, man. Look at these. I bet you like this. Yeah. Oh, God. Well, that's all, folks. We're done. We're good. That's a wrap. These are Halloween coasters. Let me know down in the comments below what you thought. What do you think of this? What do you think of this project? Yes, what do you think of the color, the design? Is it very demure? Is it cutesy? Let me know. Let me know what you think down below. Make sure to like this video to help support the channel. It was super fun and I rated it 10 out of 10. This took me quite a few hours. So I mean, there were times in between where I was getting frustrated and irritated with the project. It's okay to take a break. You can always take a break. Me, I don't know why I don't let myself take breaks. You should let yourself have a break. You will enjoy things more with breaks in between. But this I powered through, and at the end I was very satisfied with the outcome. So thank you so much for being here. Don't get sick like me if you are feeling under the weather right now. I hope you feel better soon, and I will see you in the next one. You take care, and you stay cool.